Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this word-by-word text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Alright, now in Premiere Pro, as you can see, I have created a text already and I've put it onto the program monitor. Then what I'll do, I'll go to effects and from there I'm going to type down text animator. So I'm going to find the text animator under video transitions and I'll place it at the beginning of the text layer, and then I'll place it at the end of the text layer. And then what we'll do next, I'll zoom in so we'll see better. I'll select the transition itself, and then I'll go to the effects control panel. From there, on the text animator, I will change the preset from custom to fade. And then what I'll do, I'll go down to disruption, and from here I'm going to change it down to, let's say, 10 or 11. You can play around here until you find the golden middle for you. And then what I'll do, I'll go down to advanced controls. I'll open the menu, and from letter where it says object type, I'll change it to word. Next, what I'll do, I'll go to word bias, and from here I'm going to change it down to, let's say, 13 or 12. So now let's play and see what the text animation looks like. Okay, it looks not too bad, and it comes word by word. But as I said, you can play around with the settings and the values. Let me see what's gonna happen if I decrease the word bias to 7%. Okay, let's play it now and see what it looks like. Okay, it looks more like typewriter animation. So I'm just gonna select it again and increase it to 12. Because it looks much smoother. And once you've done with the animation, to save time next time, what you can do is again select the transition, go to text animator, and then right click and save as a preset. What I'll type down is text animator preset, then I'll leave it as scale, then I'm gonna click on OK. Now I will delete this transition, and then what I'll do, I'll go to effects, then from presets, I'm going to try to find text animator number 3. So there's the one. So just grab it and drop it at the beginning, and I'll drop it at the end as well. And now let's play and see what I have created. Nice. It looks nice. And if you want to speed up the animation, you can shorten it both ways like that. As you can see, the speed is different now. It's much quicker. And the other way around, if you want to make it a little bit longer or slower, you can extend the transition and you got a slow animation. So guys, that's how you can create this cool word-by-word text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's super easy, super fast, super efficient, and on top of that, it looks incredible. And also, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, please smash that like button because it will help with the algorithm, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Premiere Pro tutorials like this one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.